Transform 1.9 is about the theorem 5.3 that we have seen earlier. A subspace Y of a space X is disconnected if and only if there exists open set U and V in X such that U intersection Y non-empty, V intersection Y is non-empty, U intersection V intersection Y. So that's what this can be written as U intersection Y intersection V intersection Y, that is disjoint, that means empty, and Y is a subset of U union V. This is what we need to prove. So if it is in the pictorial form, let's say this is X, this is Y, subspace Y. So X can if Y of X is disconnected, so let's say U and V, but it says only subspace Y is disconnected, so we can't say X is disconnected by these two open sets. So therefore there may be any other set as well. So let's take as a part as W. So this part we can say U intersection Y. Similarly, this part we can say V intersection Y. So now we can say that U intersection Y as A, V intersection Y as B. So this can be drawn in here. This is a set space X, and this is a subspace Y, and these are two separated set A and B what we are taking. So let's see some notes in this. Y is a subspace of X and Y is disconnected if and only if this is what the theorem, U comma V is open in X, U intersection V is non-empty, V intersection is non-empty, U intersection V intersection Y is empty, Y is a subset of U union V. So this means if there exists, we need to find that that part. So we need to, there exists means we need to find this U comma V. And another note, this one okay, for this one, since U and V are not separated set, they didn't talk about X is connected or disconnected, so there may be many other sets. That's why we put some W as well. So another definition, relative open set. What do you mean by relative open set is, if find any open set in subspace Y of X, then it must be open in X as well. That we called as a relative open set. So it is related. So if we can find an open set in Y of X, so it must be open also in X as well, because X, Y is a subspace of X. Now let's see U intersection Y. Let's say this is equal to A, that is non-empty, we can find, therefore that is non-empty, and V intersection Y, let's say that is B, that is also non-empty. So if you find A intersection B, so if you substitute what is A and B, that is U intersection Y intersection V intersection Y. Therefore it can be written as using the distributive law, U intersection V and intersection Y. So it can both are same operator, therefore we can write U intersection V intersection Y. That is because of A intersection B is empty, no, because that is a disconnected one, therefore this is also pi since Y is disconnected. Now let's say A union B. So U intersection Y union V intersection Y. So using the distributive law, what we can write, U union V intersection Y. So see here, U union V will be this part, Y is this part. When you take the intersection, the smaller set will be Y. So we are getting the Y. Therefore we can say is what, Y is subset of, because you are getting the intersection of these two, but we are getting the Y, because the intersection we are getting the smaller set. So that's why we can say y subset of u union v. So that means that what we have written, because in intersections smaller set is the answer. That's why we are getting this one. So this gives the results. Now because of this is if and only if, let's go for the then part. So conversely, suppose that u and v are open subset of x such that, so u and v are open subset of x such that we have u intersection y is non-empty, v intersection v is non-empty. These are the assumptions. We need to prove y is disconnected. So these are given: u intersection v intersection y is empty, y is subset of u union v. Now here we want to show that y is disconnected. Now then, using the relatively open set definitions. So what is the definition of relative open set is, if find any open set in subspace y of x, then it must be open in x as well. So that is the relative open definition. So we have taken A as u intersection y and B as v intersection y, and A and B are open in y. Why? Because of the definition. So relative definition. So we need to take two open set in y to find this is for the disconnectedness. We need to find two open sets in y now, but we have taken A as this one, B as this one. A and B should be open in y, because these two are open in x, therefore it should be open in y as well. And also A is non-empty, B is non-empty. These two are okay. Now, and u intersection v intersection y, we are doing the converse part. So u intersection y intersection v intersection y. So this can be written as A intersection B. So this is empty already given. So this must be empty as well. And we have given y subset of u union v. So let's see, A union v will be u intersection y union v intersection y. Therefore it can be written as u union v intersection y. Why? Because of y subset of u union v, we can say this is equal to y, because we can get the smaller version of these two are y. So these two are making the y, therefore what the union making the y, therefore these two are the separation set of y. So therefore y is disconnected. And this is about, so there's a note, path connectedness not in this syllabus. Okay, this is all about the book Fred.